On Tuesday, March 31st, a 6.5 magnitude earthquake rattled Idaho. Days after the Idaho earthquake, experts seek answers about historic unexpected event. Guys, I have answers. They may not be correct, but I have answers. Okay? Windmills! All right? Wind power in Idaho is off the charts. Look. It's booming! See that? And look at this. I got this map from this U.S. wind turbine database, okay? Look at, here's Idaho. That little hand is right where the earthquake was. Stanley, Idaho, okay? Windmills! 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 Guys! Windmills are causing earthquakes! Shut them down!